Hello, and welcome to Little Blue Homestead. I am Tasha, and right now I'm standing on a ladder. See? The reason why I'm doing this is because we love to feed the birds, and depending on what type of birds you feed, they get very aggressive about what they call their property, that they tend to keep bigger birds of prey away sometimes, especially if they think the bigger birds of prey are going to be taking their food. But we have songbirds, we have cardinals, finches, some blue jays that run around here, and then once in a while we have some hummingbirds. So what I'm doing in the trees is putting the bird feeders up. So I took a video earlier of me last week putting bird feeders up, and it was just a test to see where these bird feeders would look good at. Now I'm putting them in their permanent spot. I'll go ahead and show you the before. I know I need better rope, but that's going to work for now. So my technique of getting those bird feeders up, I know it was not going to be permanent because one, I use hemp twine, which is very not very brittle, but it's easily one of the twines that can get what is it? It's just breakable. It's easy when it's holding up weight. So what I have now is I have some braided nylon, and I'm going to use that for my bird feeders. I also got a caliber in a little pulley. This pulley can hold up to 40 pounds, so it says it's weighted for. But I only got it because I'm going to be maximum 5 pounds. So like I said, I'm up in the trees, and I'm going to show you something. Look at that view! So this tree is the one closest to the edge of the house, the one we don't park by. And I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I already fried the ends. And I'm going to put it on this branch. So here we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So here's my pulley. I have it on a slip knot with another slip knot tied around my tree limb. Oh, where is it? Okay, so I did it this way so that as the tree limb grows, I can just adjust the limb, because I don't want to have this embedded. But here's my little pulley. And time for step 2. So step 2 is taking that birdhouse off of this line right here and attaching it into this one. So I can easily put it up and down in order to get these birds fed. Hey, Mommy.
Hey, going to the compost to make a dump. Oh,
Delivery.
deliver a dump. Not take a dump. I don't need to take a dump. Taking this dump in the compost. Okay.
Try that again. Hey, Mommy.
Hi. I'm taking the, kitchen scrap to the compost. I'm going to go take it over and dump it.
Okay.
I love you.
Okay, now to get that birdhouse moved. Alright, so I finished step 2. The bird feeder is up. And here's my line. But instead of attaching it to the tree, I attached it to, whoops, this horseshoe. This horseshoe has been on the property since we moved here. So I thought it was just fitting that we still use it, since we keep it outside, and I just use the horseshoe as the counterweight for the bird bath. Bird bath, yeah, right. This is for the bird feeder. So it is empty, and I gotta fill it up. There we go. So with the bird feed in, it's perfect. It's perfect. So let's go ahead and get this sucker raised. And hoist. Glides beautifully. There it goes. Now we just take this to the edge, drop that sucker down, perfect sit, and voila, my easy to get to bird feeder. Instead of having to climb up and down a ladder, I got a pulley and make it easy. Now I'm going to go show you the other one. So I did the same thing with the other one. I got up on the ladder, I used a pulley, but this time instead of having a counterweight, which the counterweight was a horseshoe this time, I tied it off to the tree using a caliper with a screw type to keep it. Now the caliper is weighted I believe this caliber is weighted for 25 pounds, so it should be good. And I have the line attached to that bird feeder with the same style of pulley and everything. So those are my two very high up in the tree bird feeders. And this one right here is not my high in the tree. This is my normal. This is the very first bird feeder we got. So that is it. I just want to make this video short this week. You saw what I did in the beginning, or my mistakes. But I did what I did to get that up there to see how it'll look in the trees. And now I am got it up there professionally-ish done, so it will last longer and it will be easier for me to bring it up and down for feeding. As of the moment, I'm bringing them up and down maybe once every 5 days, depending on how many birds visit it. But at least I won't have to keep climbing up and down the trees to get to it. Alright, this is Tasha from Little Blue Homestead saying, get out, enjoy the world. Check out your surroundings. See what you have going on and do something. Don't stay indoors all day.
Bye! Thanks for coming to the Little Blue Homestead!
And maybe get away from your parents if you can. If not, go visit your parents because they do miss you. Or somebody that you consider your parents. Or a Navy mom, a Navy dad. Somebody who helped you grow up. They missed you. Give them a call. Other than that, this is Tasha from Little Blue Homestead. I'm signing out, and I'll see you guys later. And I will see you out there. Bye.